This is question 14 on problem solving from the 2018 BMAT. So we're told that 2 children out of a group of 6 are in a football team, and which 2 is this? And each child gives a statement. So child P says it's R and Q, Q says it's B and R says it's Q and S, etc. Then child U says nothing. And we're told that 4 of these children lied about one and correctly named the other. And 1 child lied about both. And we have child U that says nothing. So from this information, which 2 children is it? So where should we start with this? Well, if 4 of the children have to tell the truth about one of them and lie about the other, then one of the names is probably going to come up at least quite a few times. So which name comes up the most? That is R. You can see that 3 of the children say that R is in the team. So we don't know this for sure, but let's assume that R is one of the children so far. So we know 4 of them are lying about one, and 1 of them is lying about both. And we know that out of these 4, 3 of them are P, Q, and S, because they all mention R. And so that leaves R and T, one of whom is lying about one, and the other is lying about both. So who is the second person? Now it can't be S, because then neither of them would be lying about both. They'd both be correctly naming one. So can it be Q? Well, if it were Q, then P would be telling the truth about both of them, and we know that's not one of the options, so that leaves U. So does this work? Let's check. So 4 of them are correctly naming one, so 3 of them are naming R, 1 of them is naming U. 1 of them is lying about both, that's child R, then we've got U saying nothing. So our final answer, because this adds up, is the 2 children must be R and U. And this corresponds to F on the question paper.